What's going on YouTube? I'm E and this is Simply Put Scents. So guys, on this channel, I talk about some of the best and worst fragrances on the market today. And simply put, at the end of the day, my goal is to help you save time and money. So do hit that subscribe button and knock out that bell for me so you know when my videos is dropping, because I work hard on these videos and I love what I do. So I think I have like some of the best subscribers on YouTube, without question. And a few times I've had subscribers say,
hey bro, like, can I send you something?
and it's, I'm like,
No, not trying to do that.
but recently, just from the business of my channel and for other business also, because like there are times when I've lost packages in my building because, USPS are like really like, it's like ever since they've been partnered with Amazon, it's like they will just leave your packages anywhere. Like, Prime just makes them say, screw your package, even though Amazon has nothing to do with your package. It's ridiculous. But so I recently got a PO box, and one of my subs hit me up with this box, and that sub is Kevin McCoy. And I really want to thank Kevin McCoy, seriously bro, because you're just like one of those subs that I've had from jump that have just always been cool and super supportive of what I'm doing, and just awesome. So I just want to thank you for even thinking of sending me something like this. I don't know what's in this, you didn't even tell me, but I felt so bad that it took me so long to open this that I wanted to do a dedicated video and open this on camera. So yeah, I'm about to do that and see what's in here, because it seems kind of busy.
Okay.
I see sawdust. Really, bro? That's fascinating. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Dude literally like sent me so much. Okay, let me check this out. Whoa, what the hell is this? Vintage Stetson? Really, bro? Now you wanna know what's crazy? Like, the nerd in me is so curious to smell this. Wow, okay. This is definitely a must try. Dunhill Icon samples, love that. Cartier Zeste de Soleil, cool stuff. Eau de Cartier samples. Eau de Cashmere by Guerlain. Wow. Now that I'm curious about as well. Very nice. Nice sample there too. Thank you so much for that, bro. Like, Guerlain L'Homme Idéal Eau de Parfum. Really cool, bro. I'm a Wise Jubilation 25. Sickening, bro. Absolutely sickening. Nice sample for that. Sauvage. Look at that. Sauvage. What can I say? Sauvage. It's Sauvage, right? Oh no. Rive Gauche? A sample of Rive Gauche. So freaking cool. Like, I have not smelt this scent. Definitely gonna try that on camera without question. Oh, this is insane. What else is in here? Oh, Vintage Derby by Guerlain. Like, even the box looks crazy old. Like, look at that. That Guerlain Derby. Old school stuff right here. Like, and you can tell it's the old stuff because this packaging is vintage, is crazy. Like, insanity. 1881 by Cerruti. Really healthy size. This sawdust is crazy, by the way, Kevin. I don't know what you were thinking. Like, I don't know why you did all the sawdust, bro. Like, it's really dusty in here now. I gotta vacuum. But I'm not complaining because you did this. Like, I'm really grateful, bro. So, Pour un homme de Caron by Caron. And knowing you, bro, this is probably like another vintage bottle of the scent, which I'm really excited to smell also. Insane, insane, insane. These are just really, really crazy samples. Oh no, some of them spilled. Vintage Aramis. Well, I guess I can tell what that smells like by smelling the inside of this bag. Yeah, and he sent me a bottle of Carbon Homme. Gosh, bro, I can't believe this. This is really cool. Thank you so much, Kevin. Like, thank you so much, Kevin, for this. Carbon Homme is just awesome stuff. Wow. Okay. Let's go. Wow. It's just really, really well done. A little bit powdery. Of course, very green. Interesting. Thanks so much for this, Kev. But you know what? I gotta be honest with you, bro. Like, the scent that I'm like absolutely floored to try is this vintage Stetson. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, even the bottle looks crazy. Like, it looks like something you would find in somebody's attic. You guys have to understand, like, it's literally like opening a bottle of history. Like, that's what this really means to me. This is a class. This is like legend, you know. But anyway, I'm rambling because I'm just so like impressed with the fact that I'm gonna be able to smell this. So again, thank you, Kevin. Like, you don't know. I'm just gonna splash that right on my arm. Not even gonna. Just gonna tilt it over on my skin and just put my nose on that. Like, this is a splash bottle. It's not a sprayer. That smells really good. That smells very clean, almost creamy. Like, and I don't mean creamy like, you know, sandalwood creamy, but like a creamy, like almost like a cream you would put on your face, like a cream you'd put on your arms or something, like not lotion, but actually cream, like vintage stuff. And the other cool thing is it doesn't smell as dated as you would think a Stetson from a vintage Stetson scent would smell like. Like, that's fascinating. But wow, that's beautiful. I like this. What's another scent that I can try here before I get off? Oh, gotta try this before I close this video out. This is Rive Gauche Pour Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. A fragrance that I have never smelled before but heard so much about. That Stetson is powdery. It's really, really cool. But not powdery in like a bad, like, obviously it's Stetson, right? It wouldn't smell like a woman. So, but it's really, really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put this Rive Gauche on that skin. The Rive Gauche is kind of similar to the Stetson. Wow. So Rive Gauche, I can understand why people like it. It's not for me. It smells like shaving cream, kinda. Something that I'm not really like, you know. Like, I probably wouldn't buy a bottle of this. But I kind of appreciate what it smells like. Like, I can appreciate the style. I can appreciate the makeup of the scent. It's pretty interesting. And this too is kind of like smelling the 80s, you know? It's kind of interesting. Very nice. Not my personal taste, but pretty cool. Wow. But that Stetson's pretty cool. Like, that's some good stuff. Like, if I had if there was a fragrance that smelled like this today, I would probably own it. Like, it's really nice. And I'm blown away because it's Stetson. Man, I guess that shows like that vintage stuff, boy. They really pumped out some really good stuff back in the day. That's awesome. I like it a lot better than I like Rive Gauche, personally, but yeah. Is there one more I can just do really quick? Maybe the Caron. Pour un homme de Caron is a very classy fragrance. Like, I smelled it at Bergdorf's once. Whoa. Whoa. That smells vintage. Wow, okay. Lavender and vanilla. Pretty much is all you're getting. On my skin, at least. If you smell this on my skin, it's really lavender and vanilla. Also smelling like a barbershop, to be honest. The Rive Gauche is smelling better, although it's not performing that crazy off my skin. The Caron smells nice. It has a spiciness to it also in the background, I'm noticing. I would say the Stetson is just insane. That vintage Stetson, guys. If you ever get a chance to smell that, do smell that. That stuff smells nice. Like, almost exotic smelling. Is that weird? Stetson smells exotic? Am I bugging the hell out? Like, I can imagine if you put just like a touch of leather or a touch of oud, it would just be like, thank you, Kevin McCoy. All this, really? Like, all this? Like, you just gave me experiences that I'm really, really grateful for. Because I've never smelled any of these fragrances on my skin. And all three of them are kind of like legends, you know? So, yeah, like, no words can describe how much I'm in so much appreciation. So, thanks so much, Kevin, again, for the gifts. It's been awesome. I really got to do something for you. I mean, if there's any fragrances that you see that I can send you, please let me know. So, guys, I'm E, and this is Simply Put Scents. And I'm Simply OUT. Peace.